Hello guys, it's Ri and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to join the family. And today's video is a November bullet journal video, and this month's theme is cozy, woodsy cabin vibes. This time I tried something a little bit different and went for a minimalistic black and white style, so I hope you guys really like it, and let's get on into the video. First, I'm going to draw a wavy line for the ground, and I'm putting a log cabin, and I'm making it really rustic with wavy lines, nothing too straight, and I'm also going to add a wood-like texture with some wavy lines. Now I'm going to draw two trees, one short and one tall, with the branches pretty spread out. I'm also adding a little campfire on the bottom. Now I'm going to add some thickness to the trees with a black Crayola super tip marker. Now with my Papermate fine tip pen, I'm going to write November and add some thickness to the downstrokes. I'm also adding a tiny little monthly calendar on the bottom. This next page is a huge monthly calendar spread, and I'm starting off with some November lettering up top, and I'm just doing some open lettered calligraphy. For the calendar, I'm starting off by drawing some squares that are 5 by 5. Now I'm doodling a bonfire with some smoke coming out, and the smoke is kind of curly and wavy and just goes across the page. And on the right side, I'm doing a monthly goals banner and some bullet points. And on the bottom, I'm continuing the theme of the log cabin. And I couldn't resist adding a little pumpkin on the side. The next page is a habit tracker page, and this time I'm doing 5 mini November calendars, and I'll mark the days out whenever I complete a habit. I'm going to draw a tree on both sides of the last calendar, and again I'm going to thicken the lines with a Crayola black marker. This next page I'm doing a mood tracker and a quote all in one, and I'm starting off with the quote, "Autumn, the year's last loveliest smile." I'm placing a mood tracker banner on the left side along with a smiley face, a neutral face, and a sad face. be using different shades of green to color the branches of the trees according to my mood throughout the month. This final page is a weekly spread for the first week of November, and I'm starting off with some block letters to write out November on top, and then just doing 7 columns for the week going down. And on the bottom, I'm doodling a pile of leaves, a rake, a mini cabin, some leaves, and a bonfire as well. Alright guys, so that is it for this November bullet journal video. If you liked this cozy, woodsy cabin vibes theme, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more bullet journal videos coming up soon. I'm thinking of uploading more weekly spreads, so tune in for that. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know every time that I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!